This is Jack and Chuck. Chuck? Oh, he just wants to play. Look at this. Chuck? Chuck, what are you doing? Hi. Doesn't even care about the cat. Oh, oh, oh. Come here, Chuck. Come on, Chuck. Okay, that went well. Now little Jack, the kitten. Hi, little foster kittens. What are you doing, Chuck? Oh, you're so cute. Hey, being a good... Oh. Hi. Chuck. Be nice to the kitty. Ooh. Kick his butt, Jack. Okay. Oh. I guess it didn't even need me. Here comes Jack. Okay, there we go. He gets along with cats. Little Jack Kitty is chasing Chuck's leash. Come on, Chuck. See, more kitties, Chuck. My cat Bailey hissed at him, so he jumped. Alright, let's go in the front, Chuck. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. Come on. Or maybe they weren't paying enough attention to him. He's a puppy. All he wants to do is play. Come on, Chuck. Let's go up front. Let's go play ball. Come on, Chuck. I think that was my kitty back there. Okay, come on. Come on, Chuck. Yes. Let's go get a ball. Come on, let's get a ball.